Today we're going to be talking about my approach to a mommy makeover. First of all, I think it's important to make the distinction that mommy makeover really isn't a procedure in itself. It's more of an approach, kind of how I approach a lot of things. It's not just one procedure. It's a combination of different procedures that might affect you as a mom. Most people consider a mommy makeover something to do with the breast, something to do with the belly. Even in those things, multiple changes may or may not have happened. That's the most common combination, which is something to do with the breast, something to do with the belly. And now a lot of women are asking for something to do with vaginal rejuvenation. The usual time frame for having people to return to work is probably somewhere around 2 weeks for most people. To return to their activities is somewhere around 3 to 4 weeks. Most of my patients are very satisfied at that point because, again, I hope I met their discussed goals or match the consultation to the actual results of the procedure.